Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to clean the conical grinder. The equipment we will need is a vacuum cleaner specifically for the grinder, a wire brush, a round brush, dry paper towel, clean damp cloth and the bag of coffee to empty the hopper. The first step is to gently close the hopper gate by pushing it inwards. Now we will grind the remaining coffee that we have in the collar until it's empty. And this is the sound you will hear when you know it's empty. The most important step in this process is to unplug the power at the main supply. Once the grinder has been unplugged, I will proceed to the next step of cleaning it. Now I will empty the contents of the hopper into the coffee bag, making sure I am closing it tightly to avoid the beans being oxidized. Make sure the coffee bag is securely fastened with a rubber band. Then you need to press the release button down before you move the collar. Turn your collar clockwise to open it. We will use a wire brush to clean around the grinding burrs. We want to make sure that we remove any residue of coffee and our grinder is nice and clean. Get into the inside of the teeth, removing any residue of coffee. You can also use the soft brush to clean the tiny holes. Once you have cleaned the teeth and made sure there's no residue of coffee, you can turn the collar and clean with a soft brush so you don't scratch the surface. Then you need to use the wire brush to clean the inside of your collar. Follow that by the vacuum cleaner to remove all residue of coffee on the inside. When there's no residue of coffee left, you are ready to put your collar back in.